Wagwan guys, welcome to another video. So you wanna see the video where Latika and my friend them wanna go on with a bag of things. I try to get the man them to say I know them me did that talk to after she come in our house, come catch me up on phone. Right? See how the thing go, if you wanna see it, just watch it up you say. You see me I say? Alright. But today now we are gonna call some Lati friend them. You see me I say?
And family.
And family, yeah. To see how them would have react to the same question, you know what I mean? Coming at the house, see her up on the phone, she a go on fishy. You see me I say? Call her one name, we call the person and see if them are gonna say yes, she did not talk to them or no. You see me I say? Guys, remember to like the video. See me I say? Make we get 200 likes on the video. Like the video, right? Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and big up all our subscribers them. You ready for the video, honey?
Ready as can be.
She a fret. I'm not even real thing and she a fret.
Fret. No, son. My people don't know give me away.
Alright.
We got a thing lock, man.
See what I go on. We see what I go on. So,
Alright.
who we call first?
I remember try to call my niece and see.
Diana?
Diana. We see. She dep online. She ever dep online. I said that girl and I put on her phone, you know.
Diana?
Yes. Hello?
Yeah, sorry about that. I think shit I come out of the bathroom a while ago, so I have to hang up. And you know, you laugh too loud the other man, so tell me the man.
Yeah, man, I was talking.
Sasha, are you should really talk to?
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you're not telling me a lie, you know, Diana. Can
No.
me always tell us out of all of Tasha children, you are the favorite for me, you know. So I really you should talk to?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright then, respects in?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm gonna tell him on my niece now gonna let me know. Diana must have said, this is weird.
I think Diana know what I'm going.
Diana probably said, this is weird.
I think she know what I'm going.
Why would she know what's going on?
Yeah, because you know it's on the internet and all these kind of things. You call her back? You not call her and tell her it's a prank?
Oh, alright, we'll call her back.
Well, I'll find out if she know. I don't know. She doesn't know, but I walk out over there. Bag of things are going.
Diana. Hello.
Yeah, Auntie.
Thank you, my love. It's a prank still, but thank you.
Hello.
It was a prank, darling. It was a prank call, but thank you so much. You passed.
Diana, you know that prank, you know?
Yes?
You know that prank, yeah?
No. I never knew it was a prank, but just a pick up fear.
Oh. Alright, real way. Big up yourself,
Diana,
see?
you're my real G. You know, watch your face. I love you.
Call Tasha, no.
Oh, Jesus. Tasha, you know. We will call with my sister.
I call her Toya'S sister now, which is her mother.
She upon line, you know, so she
She
better
upon line?
answer. Yeah.
Hey, Sissy. Good evening.
Hey Tasha, you want to go on and assist this is a bro. What you deal with?
Okay. Hey, bro.
Want to go on? Everything
Hey,
alright?
I'm here.
Straight.
So far, so good.
Gus, man. Yo, Tasha, a quick question, right? So
Yeah.
you can talk?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So a while ago, I come home, right? And as Taya see me, so,
Yeah.
Taya did up on the phone, but as she see me, so she just drop the phone and I go on with a bag of things and I move funny, you see me? So me I say, yo,
Yeah.
what kind of half-key movement this is? Me I say, she say, no, man, no, Natasha, she da talk to, you know what I mean? So she run Gambia, so I don't know what I go on. And me I say, yo, Tasha, you my link. So any hour Tasha, she talk to me, I say, I call Tasha and see what I go on. So you should talk to Tasha?
Lataya?
Yeah.
Yeah, she was talking to me.
Oh, All right, then come. I say, oh, Tasha, I'm my family. No, so if I really she me know, so she can't just call Tasha name to me, so call Tasha and I go around me. You see me?
Right, right.
Straight.
Yeah.
Well, from you say, are you then? Are you? You see me? I say.
All right, my brother.
Cause me that plan,
You don't know the
me,
thing.
me that plan to carry her out tonight, you know, cause me I say, you know, but anyhow, whenever you plans mash down.
We said the day to the postpone.
Me I tell you. Big up yourself, alright?
Postpone like how school and postpone.
Straight.
All right, my brother. So everything blessed though.
Yeah, man, my balance, man.
Sis, not gonna wait. A prank call. A prank.
I know a prank call, you know. I know a prank call because guess what?
You know-
Remember you said about Talinka, a prank call. I know.
Eh, John no star.
Say, if you ever feel my heart, I'm like, oh gosh, oh my. What am I supposed to say?
I never want to call you Tasha.
We just the day now. And then pick up for me straight.
Straight. Alright, respect. See, we are call some more people, so look more.
Yes.
We'll call up some more people. All right, love you,
Alright then,
sis.
bless up, bro.
Big up
Yeah.
yourself.
Okay, bless. Yeah.
All right, people. Honey, you know I expect say my family are gonna give me away.
So, you did expect some of my people to give away. You see it? Exactly. Alright, move to the next one. Go on, go through.
All right. The one I know we'll call Anna.
Anna
And I was
my
like-
G. I can put on my pot on that one. Yeah.
Right, so.
Alright, let's see where I go on.
I'm gonna see if Anna I gotta pick up.
Anna, put this up.
And I'm a dupes.
Hello?
Anna, what go on?
Not much. What's up?
Me there, man. Everything good?
Yeah, man.
You must have
Yeah,
wa-
alright.
You must have wonder how me I call you. Can a big laugh that? My you know how me I call you for, you know? Yeah, break up, me now hear you.
My Wi-Fi bad. My Wi-Fi bad.
Okay, straight. Alright, quick question, right? Taya in the bathroom, okay? So listen. Me just come home a while ago and she did up on the phone, but as she see me come in at the house, she done talk and drop the phone and beer things in her move shady and run down beer things. So me I say, you know what kind of funny movement that she I say, yo, nah man Anna she that talk to. And me I say to myself, so me I say a fool she take me for cause Anna and my link anyhow Anna she a talk to me, no say Anna go make me know what go on. So me say me call Anna there.
But you can't get the secret.
Me can't get the secret. So you should have talk to her a plan and a plan a thing what kind of secret, me don't understand.
We are planning things. We can't plan things again.
No, me just a call if I verify, you know what I mean? Me not say we can't plan, but me I say she a move boomy, you know what I mean?
No, man. Probably should you just come in for that. I think you're here.
So just come in pan her after me and her married for over a decade. You go like a thief in the night thing. So you me live with a man.
Come on, man. No.
Anna, man, a liar tell me, you know. Me kind of suspect a thing, you know.
My youth, relax yourself. You don't know say everything good already.
Hold
You
on,
know, nothing
you
to
talk
worry
too loud. She a come. Hold on.
What is man?
All right. So where's are you?
You think Chris, man. Know yourself. You think good.
Oh my goodness. All right then, for me sister, so then why me can't win?
But I'm so it can't go no other way.
And I have a friend, yo, my sister, I love you. A prank call. I want him. Him don't know say you not sell me out. I want him, Anna. Him don't know say you can't sell me out. I want him.
Oh, she can't sell you out. Okay.
I want him, Anna.
Look at
Him don't know where we come from, Anna.
and it sound like only tip off the whole out now.
What you?
No. She never called me and said nothing.
A while ago you tell me that she call you though.
No, maybe like say she tipped me off, but she never can't tick me off with nothing.
Boy, me the spirit, so don't love me. But me see with the loyalty there.
Don't mistake the loyalty, man.
Me
Them
and that- me
love
also-
you. Them love you
Me
on
can't
the
mistake
but
the
you don't
loyalty
know,
at
say,
all.
the first lady, you don't know the first lady, you know. Yeah.
My brother. My brother.
Call me
My
Ian.
brother.
Call me Ian.
Ian, alright. Ian, you don't know all the things set already.
Okay.
Taya come first in everything.
Oh wow.
Bam, bam.
All right. So,
Just like that.
all right. Me love you same way.
We love you too. Bad.
All right. Big up yourself, Ian.
All right, sis. Look more.
Alright,
Love
then,
you.
cool. Yeah.
Woo.
And a hard for crack.
No, sir.
And I won't turn up.
And I said, but no, man, with a surprise, you want to spoil the thing.
Ah, Baba.
Yo, Anna, I'm a G. I'm a real G. All right, so Keisha Thomas did a call me back. Let me see what Keisha go say.
Why?
I don't know if Keisha can angle in something about. She asked me if I'm good. All right, make us see. Keisha, one of my other dopes. We come from like primary school.
Hello.
Hey Keisha.
Hi.
What go on, man? You alright?
Nothing much.
Sweet.
I'm good. What's going on?
Me there, man. I take it easy. Long time I don't hear from you.
I'm here. Oh, this is sense. What's up to wifey?
Oh, okay. Straight. So I've got a quick question for you, okay, Keisha? So
Go ahead.
So a while ago I came home and wifey I move funny with the phone and Keisha, and she drop as me come in at the house, she dropped the phone. And I said, what kind of funny movement that, you know? She said, yo, Keisha should I talk to? I said, Keisha, which Keisha? She said, you know, Keisha in New York. So I'm like, hang on a minute, Keisha my link. What she feel like she can tell me no lie and get away with it. So I said, alright then. So she gone beard. So I say, you know what? I'm gonna call Keisha and see what I go on. So I start check if I you should really attack. You understand what I say?
Why?
What do you mean why? No, cause typically when she up on the phone and talk to nobody, me coming at the house, you know what I mean? It's not natural if she just drop the phone or, you know what I mean? She just move extra suspicious, you know what I mean?
Maybe she planned something or surprise something and she know why if you know about it. Me don't know.
Oh, so that means I know you should attack the guy. If I did you don't know?
I can't try to get me like yeah.
No man, I'm not trouble. I don't see what she up to. So yes, I something she plan. Eh?
Even if she tell me, I won't tell you.
Ja, no, Keisha. Me I say I'm a top link. Really?
If it's gonna be a surprise or something, I'm not gonna tell you.
Ja, no star. Come here say yo, she can't call Keisha name to me and feel like so she can't go around me. Keisha, I'm a link. And at this year tell me now. Ja, no. Keisha.
They can't tell you our secret then, man. If she have planned something, they can't tell you what.
So you should have talked to them. That you say.
Yeah, man. Yeah. I'm sure not talk to.
Alright then.
They can't tell you what.
You sell me out your pound of rice.
No, sir, man. Won't do that, man. You don't say anything about me, I tell you right away.
Alright then, if you say so, I say it go. I believe you convince me.
Keisha, girl, you're my dupes. You're my general, Keisha. You're my general.
Keisha suspect.
Yo, him call Anna a while ago. Me I tell him some man and I give a story there. Yo, so hear him now. No man, me go call Keisha come. I know say Keisha, me and Keisha rap good. I say, alright, try her then.
Why Keisha? Trust me, we can't call none of you.
It's a friend, my friend.
Man. You know I say anything bad, we are getting out the happiness, me and make you know for sure.
Oh.
That's one thing me not gonna do. Because I love all the happy.
Oh, Keisha, you're the
I
real
like how you guys are
general.
happy, you know.
It's going to take me a couple of days to get over this.
Oh my God.
You're joking, man. But big up yourself, man. Respect yourself. You see what I say?
Yes, Keisha, we do some prank calls and thing, and so far it's going really good. But you don't know you're my G.
Alright.
It now go with Keisha. The whole of them are tell lie.
Hey, how far where I come from, you know.
Okay,
And that-
me I tell him say primary school.
Primary school days
Okay.
doing this, right?
Sure.
Ja, no. Find some of the high school friend them. Alright, Keisha, a little more.
Alright, later guys.
All
Yeah.
right, babes. Bye.
Alright, guys. That's the thing there. Them a come from primary school.
And that a go on pan what a go on. Loyalty over royalty.
And you're mad at my friend them when the boss them.
Loyalty
I give
over
crazy
royalty.
stories. You see me I say? So guys, what do you think? I want to shot again. Friend them set away. Yo, bottom line is, we don't know about call no friend. Whether the man them friend or the woman them friend. You don't get no information. You understand me I say?
Just load it.
Yeah, if them say them a chat to Tom, a Tom. If I dick, a dick.
Just load it.
You
Just
understand
work
me I
with it.
say?
All when I know set no go, so just work with it because
Straight.
I just more lies I go
Yeah.
feed into lies and whatever.
You can't go to the teammate to find out something from the captain. You understand me I say? The captain run the team. Them not gonna give no information. That's the thing there.
Yeah.
But it's fun, guys. You know what I mean? We just do it as a fun. You don't know. We can try
Yeah.
keep the vibes up and beer things. You know, we just want to see what go on. So if you enjoy the video, make sure, so as me say, thumbs it up. Share it out. You see me I come from? Share it out. Good, nice, family fun. You know what I mean? Subscribe to the channel if for the first time when I watch Poppy Show. Big up on yourself if you don't subscribe to Poppy Show already. And as always, God bless you know. Be safe.
Peace and peace. Oh, and also make sure you guys do not skip them ads. Watch the ads, please.
Straight.
Please watch the ads. All right, guys. Thank you.
Big up on
Bye.
yourself.